Inside Canva, we are going to find a birthday invitation template, and this is kind of a two-step process. So first, we're going to design an invitation using one of their templates. It's already basically designed for us. All we have to do is go in and change some of the wording or customize it to the way you would like. Let's go ahead and use this Grandma's 80th. Click Customize the template. And now you can change out any wording or any pieces of this design to be exactly what you need. It's just a click and change thing. That's what I love about Canva, is it's so easy to use. Once you're done, click the share button in the top right, go down to download, and download this invitation design. Once you have that downloaded, we're going to go back to the home screen by clicking on the top left, and now we're going to create the mock-up for this invitation. So custom size, I always do 2000 by 2000 because that is what Etsy requires, and it's just a good size to have, so you never have to worry about sizing something up if you've made it too small. Again, I keep all my mockups on my Google Drive, which I have attached to my Canva account. So I'm going to go there and I'm going to search for a mockup that I've already purchased and uploaded to Google Drive. I have paper mockups and we'll just use one of these. It's not actually a 5x7 template, the one that we're going to use. You can go on Etsy, search for 5x7 invitation mockups and you'll find plenty of them, but I just, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use what I already have. Now we're going to go over to the sidebar and click on upload and upload our invitation that we just created in Canva. So there it is right there, Grandma's 80th. Click once and it will add it to your design board. And now we just need to drag the corners. If you drag the corner, you're dragging the entire design. If you drag those middle pieces, you're actually pulling and stretching and not keeping the design to its proportion. It's totally fine for this. If you double click, you can see what parts of the design, the top and bottom there, that are going to get cut off. I'm okay with that. If this was for something I was going to sell, of course, I would not want to leave anything off. I would want it to look exactly how the customer is going to receive it. So I'm just dragging these corners, moving everything slightly until I get it the way I want it and covering up all of that white paper, but still seeing the shadow that is created on this mock-up. And then let's zoom out so you can see what it's going to look like. So now we have Grandma's 80th birthday invitation all mocked up. Text this out to your family. Use this as a listing. Whatever you want to do with this mock-up. So once again, you're going to go to share, download, and now you have your mock-up image. Thanks for watching.